Hi, I'm Chris and welcome to the Lumiché blog. Today we will be making our version of the internet's current favorite Dalgona coffee, the guilt-free Dalgona coffee. You will need 2 sachets of Lumiché guilt-free coffee, a glass of milk, a whisk or anything to mix with, and 4 tablespoons of hot water. Empty both sachets of Lumiché guilt-free coffee into the hot water and whip for 6 to 10 minutes. Your goal is to whip the coffee until it reaches a creamy consistency. Unlike the usual recipe, you won't need sugar as the coffee already contains stevia, which is a sugar-free alternative. And to complete the guilt-free Dalgona coffee, top off your glass of milk with the whipped coffee. That looks delicious. And that is how you make guilt-free Dalgona coffee. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to hit like and subscribe, and for more lifestyle content, do check out the Lumiché blog. Once again, I'm Chris, and remember, flourish.